Looking for the best smart power strips? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 smart power strips on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Nektek Power Strip. Pros: protects computers, household electronics, and other devices from power surges and lightning strikes. Compatible with a variety of devices. Designed with overheat, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. Equipped with a convenient 9.3-foot cord and 3 USB ports. Cons: plugs frequently fall out of the power strip. Bright light on the end of the power strip can be annoying. Bottom line: a smart power strip that comes with 6 surge-protected AC outlets. At number 2, TrickleStar Advanced Power Strip. Pros: allows you to control supplied power to electronics in your entertainment system. Offers superb power management for home office and commercial workspace applications. Includes advanced surge protection technology with ceramic-encased metal oxide varistas that suppress more energy and dissipate heat faster than traditional surge protectors. Cons: outlets are very close to one another. Instructions may be tough to follow. Bottom line: an energy-saving smart power strip that lowers your operating costs by reducing standby power waste. At number 1, TONBUX Smart Power Strip. Pros: equipped with 4 outlets and 4 USB charging ports for charging smartphones, tablets and other gadgets. Offers built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. No hub is required. Comes with built-in leakage and an overload protection switch for added safety. Easy to use right out of the box. Cons: sometimes can be tough to connect to Wi-Fi. Offers less durability than many comparable options. Bottom line: a smart power strip that combines affordability, quality, and dependability. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.